Hey guys, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make beautiful natural hair updo inspired by Lionheart, the movie. And the hair I'll be using for this is the Darling Natural Twist. Trust me, natural hairstyling is so easy. And I'm going to be using basic techniques of natural hairstyling, which include twisting, roll, tuck and pin, and padding. I'd like you to stay with me as we go through this.
Keep up with me. Let's go. I'm lucky when into the world stops spinning. I'm lucky when into the world stops spinning. I'm lucky when into the world stops spinning. I'm lucky when into the world stops.
Find your beautiful.
I start by sectioning my hair into 5. I love clean lines and I always like to work with sections because it helps me gain control over the hair. My hair sometimes has a mind of its own. It decides to just fly away and I need clips to hold it down, and I also probably just braid it down. I'll be working with 5 major sections. Moving to the back section, I'll further divide it into 3, placing the padding inside and molding a shape by rolling the hair over the padding. Then I nicely tuck the ends and secure it with bobby pins. This style is a combination of roll, tuck and pin and padding. Always ensure that you roll in the direction of your padding. If your padding is placed inward, then you have to roll the hair inward and vice versa. I'll now move to the next section. Divide the hair into 3, roll, tuck and pin, and also pad. I'm repeating this in all the sections. My aim is to create defined shapes within this style. This is what will make this hair a showstopper. So I have decided to play with volume, and I'm also working with diagonal lines. Now I'm done with my roll tuck and pin style. I'm sure you love it. This is so elegant and beautiful. For my second style, I'm using the twisting technique. I'm sectioning my hair into 2 parts and I hold up each sections and gel the sections down. Then I prep my hair extensions. I loop the hair extension over a thread, making large chunky twists. Then I section the crown area of my head and hold down the back section too into a pony. It's time to attach the twist to my hair. I'll tie the twisted hair to the bun and then pin it nicely into different shapes. I'll first start with the back part, and once I'm done with that, I move to the front part. The chunky twist helps to create a defined look and it makes the style look more beautiful. So I'm connecting each twist to the bun for a more balanced look. Feel the movement and texture in this hair. It's charming, beautiful, hot, poppy, stylish, elegant, smashing, and gorgeous. I love it.
Find your beautiful.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I need you to try out these styles at home and share your experience with me in the comment section. I did it myself. If I could do it by myself, I'm sure you can too. So let me know your experience right in the comment section. I also need you to like this video, share with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel. My name is Genevive and I'm the Hair Goddess. See you in my next video. Bye.